What's going on YouTube? So today what I'm gonna do is replace this display unit I have here. It's been going out on me intermittently, on and off. I tried the different YouTube hacks. Works sometimes it doesn't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace this. I found one online. They do sell them on eBay pretty cheap. I got this one for 140, 150, something like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. And surprisingly enough, it is pretty easy to replace. So I'm gonna show you how to do that now. So first we're gonna take off these trim pieces right here. So these trim pieces just pop right out. Just like that. Don't be scared, you're not gonna break anything. They're just these little clips right here. Okay, so from there what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out, there's two screws right here. I had previously removed this to see the actual part number that I needed to order it. So there's two screws right here. I already took these off. And from there, we're gonna take this faceplate off. So this faceplate is pretty easy to take off. You're gonna pull out and up. So we're gonna grab it from here and we're gonna pull out. There it is. There it is. So these two pieces right here are behind this clip. So we're gonna pull out and up, and then we have this little piece right here, which is the AC unit. I'm not gonna disconnect that. I'm gonna leave it connected. So now we have these four bolts right here. We have these two on this side, these two on that side, and it's really just that easy to replace. Check those out. All right, so just as easy as pulling this out. Okay, so we're gonna have I believe it's two clips. It's only two clips. It's this one right here, and then one of these two right here. These two are different. So you're gonna have this and one of these. So we're gonna very carefully, we're gonna take a little flathead here. You might not need it, but all right, so we got this clip out here, and then this one, it should just be pulled. Pull that out. That's gonna pop right out. So we turn these around, we're gonna look at the numbers here, and they're almost identical. The only difference in the number is this one has a CR and this one has a CS. So let's see if it works. So now the question is, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this whole unit as is, because I can change out just this back piece right here and leave my original screen, because I believe my screen is still pretty good. But this screen's dirty but not in bad shape, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this whole unit intact as is. But if you wanted to change out just this back computer module, you just have 4 screws here, and that's pretty much it. But we're gonna leave it intact as is, and we're just gonna change out the whole system altogether. All right, so we're just gonna put it back the way we took it off. Clip that in all the way, have that snap in there. Attach that piece there. Put that back. So now what I think is kind of crazy is, okay, there it is. Look, it's coming on right now. Is it coming on? Might need to boot up. There it is. All right, so while it's booting up, I'm gonna go ahead and button everything back up. I like hand tightening all these because if you go in with your drill and go in with one of these high numbers here, you can over tighten or crack or break one of these plastic pieces here. So I just go with the one setting, and then I just go in and hand tighten everything else. See if it works.
Didymus wasn't with them when Jesus came. Sure, he was at.
Wow, all right, it works. I'm not gonna play it because of the copyright, but wow. Okay, we got the information here. We got the alerts, we got services. All right, we got the previous owner's Galaxy A21, which is the same phone that I have. It's pretty funny. So now it's time to get all this other stuff back on, which is pretty easy. You got 1, 2, 3 clips here. You got your faceplate and these little trim pieces here, and you're all set. So let's do that now. Nice, look at that. One piece. This is one of the easiest installs that I've ever done as far as a head unit. Before I found this one for $150, I was thinking about doing a aftermarket head unit. I really didn't want to do that because it looks tacky, right? And then I found this one. I said, let's do it, because on eBay they were going for about $300 to $400, and I was lucky to find this one for $150. I was looking for them in the wrong section. So if you're only finding them for $350, $400, you're gonna want to search I believe it's display screen instead of touchscreen head unit. There's 2 different search terms. I'll go ahead and link it here somewhere of the right and wrong one, or wrong way to search it. But if you're searching it by the wrong term, you're going to end up spending a lot more money. So again, there it was. Look at how easy it was to replace. Better than going and doing the fuse thing and trying to reset it, disconnecting your battery, that whole 9, right? That may work, may not work, but more than likely it's going to be your computer module here on the back. It's in 2 pieces, and if you do buy it, make sure that you're also getting a computer module, because that's what's bad. Really, it's not going to be your screen, and a lot of times you can find the screen by itself without the computer module for about $150. So just make sure when you're getting it for a low price that it has a computer module on the back. So there it is. And also your numbers don't need to match exactly. These first numbers right here, all these did match, but this one was that CR, and the new one had the different, it was like C something else, CS I believe it was. So they don't need to match exactly, as long as it's coming off the same make of your vehicle. They also had this is a 2011 Lincoln MKX. They had them also for the, I believe it was what is it, the Ford Edge, which would work, but the only difference is, I hope this has it, this one right here, when you turn it on, what's going to happen is, let's see here, I should turn off there. Yeah, see, it has a Lincoln right here. It'll show Lincoln. If I would have got the Ford Edge, it would have probably said Ford or some sync type thing. That's pretty cool. This older one, it just had the Lincoln logo. It didn't say Lincoln like this one did down here. This one came off a 2013, and this is a 2011. So pretty cool. Works, very happy with it. Easy install. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and check you on the next one.